Well, it's been a year. Nah, not quite. It's only been 9 months since I bought this Wide Glide, and haven't done a walk around of it since then. Let's see if I could let you see some of the things I've done to it. Of course, I don't know if you remember when I first bought it, I had those chrome accent things there on the swing arm. I removed them. And I replaced the stock air cleaner and cover, that is. You know, it's got the same high flow, cold air. I don't know if it's cold air or not, but the high flow filter on it. I got rid of those old, ugly looking forward controls with that ugly looking design that was on it. And I put these nice babies on there. And I changed the timing cover with that. And I got rid of that excess chrome stuff there. And speaking of excess chrome, I got rid of those ugly chrome mirrors, and I replaced the control levers with these blacked out ones, and added a dart bug screen. Ordered it all the way from England. And there again, got rid of the excess chrome. It's still got a lot of chrome on it. And there's the shifter side floorboard and toe and heel shifter. And you can see right here, that used to be chrome, that used to be chrome. It was all pitted and everything. Got rid of it. And had a chrome piece there. Got rid of it. And got Theotokos of the Passion and St. Christopher icon up there. And the Holy Trinity crucifix. Changed the cover over on this side. Gas cap cover. Gas cap. And that looks pretty nice. And I changed the cover over here. Oh, what's this Willie G stuff? Looks kind of nice. It looks a lot better than the things that were on there before. But making it mine. Making it mine.